I started Trade Mastermind in December at a time when I was quite quiet. Yeah, fast forward to the last 6 weeks, I have landed £77,000 worth of work, which is like 3/4 of my annual turnover last year already. I've always been a hands-on type of guy. I found learning the trade reasonably easy, well, very easy to be fair. But when it came to running a business, that's a whole different story. Being on the Trade Mastermind course has helped me mostly in terms of my confidence. It's useful having mentors that have been in the trade, of course, because yeah, they know how it works. I mean, yeah, I just find them highly relatable, highly motivational, and yeah, I just think it works. I would recommend Trade Mastermind. So far, so good. I mean, I've only been on the course 3 months and my whole business outlook and the way I deal with stuff is like totally different. I know it sounds a little bit cliche, but yeah, they're really good at what they do.